Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can color correct using graphs on CapCut PC. Add in your video and select your video and select the adjustment tool and select curves. Here you can adjust the brightness of your video, and you can also add in another one to just adjust it. I don't really know exactly how you want to color correct it. You can also, I think, select the bit that you want to adjust the lighting to, like the color, I guess. But you can just adjust it using curves here by moving it up and down and just redoing it if you don't like how it looks like. There's also a red kind of adjustments tool here to add in a redness to your videos. Again, there's also one for green, and then for blue as well, just to balance out the colors a little bit. And I'm going to add the red one to it, and maybe just a little bit of brightness, and that is it. It looks more vibrant, as you can see, but just color correct it according to your liking. I might just go back to basic and maybe add in a little bit of sharpness to it, to the video. Don't want it to add too much. Wait, hold on, that's a little bit too much. Maybe 10. But that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!